Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Opportunities with Aqeel channel. If you have been dreaming about exploring Canada, well, now is your chance. And guess what? In 2025, here are some huge updates in the Canada tourist visas process. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I am going to reveal everything you need to know to secure your Canadian adventure. And trust me, you don't want to miss these tips. So here's the big chances for 2025 Canada tourist visa. Now Canada has just rolled out some big chances for 2025. Chances that could impact how long your visa lasts, how fast you get it, and even the kind of the documents you need to submit. So if you are been planning for Canada trip, listen up. This info is essential to avoid the rejection and you get the visa approved without a delay. So section 1 is the latest Canadian tourist visa updates. So first up, let's talk about the visa duration. In the past, Canada would offer the long-term visas, sometimes up to 10 years, based on your passport's validity. But now Canada is changing its approach. You are only get the visa for the specific duration of your travel plans. Want to stay for the month, you get 1 month visas. Planning to stay for the 15 days, you will get the 15 days visa. So be clear about your travel dates when applying. Plus, processing time has improved in 2025. Applications are being processed faster, usually within 15 to 20 days after you submit your biometric. That's right, faster response means you can plan your trip sooner. How to avoid the rejection? Get your Canada visa approved easily. But hold on, here is a catch. Many people apply and still get rejected. Want to know how to avoid that? Well, stick around because I'm going to share the common mistakes people make and how you can avoid them and increase your chances of getting the visa stamped. You don't want to make those rookie mistakes, right? So here is the Canada tourist visa eligibility criteria. Before you apply, let's make sure you meet the eligibility criteria for the Canadian tourist visa in 2025. Here is the key. First of all, purpose of visa, clearly state why you are going to visit. It's a tourism, visiting family or attending any special event. While second is the financial stability, prove that you have enough fund to cover up your trip. No fund, no visa. Ties to your home country show that you will return after your trip, whether through a job, property, or family commitment. Number 3 is the pro tips. How to get your visa approved fast. Here is some pro tip. Don't apply for too long. If you apply for a 1 month trip, but you want to stay over for the 3 month, Canada might be suspicious. Instead, keep your stay realistic, around 15 to 30 days for the tourism. It's all about the being host and realistic. Now let's dive into how to fill out your application correctly. So fill out your application form on the official Canada immigration website. Any mistake could result in rejection. Step 2 is to book your biometric appointment. After submitting, you will need to provide the fingerprints and the photos. Number 3 is to submit your supporting documents, just like a passport, financial statement, travel itinerary, and more. Step 4 is to wait for the processing. It will take about 15 to 20 days. If your documents are in order, you will get an approval notification. So if you are serious about visiting the Canada in 2025, get your application started now and follow these steps carefully. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with anyone who's planning to visit the Canada, and subscribe to the channel for the more helpful tips. Also hit these bell icons so you never miss the updates. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.